Hi guys, so I got this huge Walmart basket, and inside it is like, I took out this. Can you read all the letters? I'll give you a second to open it. And it's a marshmallow squishy. I kind of opened this a little because I thought the camera was videoing, but it wasn't. And I already got this one. I named her Twilight because it looks exactly like Twilight. And hang on, you guys. I'm gonna have to cut it to open it exactly. Okay, Dad. How do you cut this kind of plastic?
Yeah. Now when we go fishing, not only fishing stuff will be in here.
And now let's go upstairs. At once I put these scissors away, and I'm gonna get out upstairs. Oh.
Here's all here. You think it's all for the fishing stuff?
Yay! Ooh. Can I see her? So now, Twilight can have husband into it.
You sure can, Eris.
Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah, what you should do. Maybe go downstairs.
Oh. And what else I got in here is gum. I got a lot out, so this is how all of the wrappers look.
Where is Lily?
That's how they look
I'm gonna do it upstairs.
Oh, upstairs? You probably have more room downstairs. Better lighting.
inside.
It's better carpet. Look, I'm gonna do a picture of my good busy with my good idea.
Okay.